Everyone, welcome back to Brevard Realty Buzz, your go-to podcast for everything real estate here in Brevard County. I'm your host, Kay and Sheron.
That's right, this is Kay, and I am Sheron Roy, your co-host. And guess what? Both Kay and I are proud to be your certified Military Relocation Professionals, MRP, which means we're specially trained to help our active duty military veterans and their families make smart and smooth decisions.
That's right, Sheron, and today's episode is for you, our heroes in uniform. If you're a U.S. military veteran or currently serving, you may qualify for one of the most valuable and surprisingly underused benefits in real estate, the VA home loan.
I know. So we're going to break down exactly what the VA loan is, how it works, and why it's a huge opportunity that many veterans are missing out on.
And you know, if some people just, I feel bad when they don't take advantage of it.
Yes.
So let's start with the basics. A VA home loan is a mortgage backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. It helps eligible veterans and service members and even surviving spouses build and refinance home with major benefits.
That's right. And let's talk about those benefits because they're a game changer. With a VA loan, you can get one, no down payment required, no PMIs, which is no private mortgage insurance, competitive interest rates, lower closing costs, flexible credits, and streamlined refinancing options through IRRL program.
Yeah, so much. And that's why we always say it's not just a home loan, it's a smart path to homeownership.
Exactly, Kay. So now here's the part that surprises most people. More than 30% of eligible veterans don't use their VA loans. So many go conventional loans and end up paying more.
So that's what's really happening, and it's sad. We have seen a few reasons why they don't do that. So it's lack of awareness. Some vets don't even know they qualify.
Exactly.
Misconceptions like thinking it's only for first-time home buyers or it's hard to get. Poor guidance. Not all agents and lenders are familiar with VA process, and they want to take the time to explain it.
Right, and that's exactly why we're working with a certified MRP like Kay or myself can make all the difference. We've had the training specifically to support you and your unique needs as a military home buyer.
We have even heard of stories like Jason, a Marine veteran from Ohio, and he wanted to move to Florida, didn't use his VA loan simply because he didn't understand it.
Right.
And he ended up putting 5% down, paying for PMI, which later he found he could have avoided. That's why thousands of dollars are left on the table.
I know, and unfortunately, Jason's story isn't rare. That's why education and support matters.
Yeah, to help address this issue, Congress issued a VA Home Loan Awareness Act, which would require lenders to inform veterans early on if they qualify for the VA loan. This is a step for me in the right direction.
Yes, it is.
Knowledge is power.
It is. So if you're a veteran or active duty service member, here's how to take advantage of this powerful benefit. First step, check your eligibility at va.gov. Second, work with a VA-approved lender. Thirdly, ask a real estate agent questions. Don't be shy. And fourth, compare loan offers. Know your options.
So true. And of course, team up with real estate pros like us who understand VA loans inside and out, right? We are here to guide you every step of the way.
That is so true. So look, this is your earned benefit. You served your country, and now it's time to let the service work for you in the housing market.
And it scares me when people don't do this or don't want to find out, you know.
Exactly.
So, no down payment, no PMI, better rates. That means tens of thousands of savings in your own pocket, right? If you're unsure where to start, we're here. We're happy to help you.
That's right. So thank you to all of our veterans and service members. We see you, we honor you, and we're here to serve you.
Absolutely. And so, of course, to wrap this segment up at Brevard Realty Buzz, be sure to follow, like, and subscribe.
Yes.
I'm taking her out of it. And, you know, if you know a vet who want this benefit, share this with them. Let them know that there are people out there like ourselves are able to help.
That's true. So until the next time, stay informed, stay empowered.